Yes, my dear students, I'll continue with chapter number 7 in this e-class also. And today's our topic, yes, causes of rapid increase in population. Now, basically, there are two causes of rapid increase in population. Yes, birth rate and death rate. The two factors affecting the increase in population, birth rate and death rate. About both of them we will be studying in detail in this chapter itself. Now, the difference between the birth rate and death rate is the cause of increase in population. Yes, we all know. In other words, it can be said that high birth rate and low death rate has led to increase in population. Yes, if the birth rate is high and the death rate is low, then obviously this will lead to increase in population. Now students, let us start with the very first topic, that is birth rate. Now, what does the birth rate show? What does it depicts? The birth rate depicts the number of children born for every 1,000 people during the given year. Yes, formula birth rate is given to you people on the screen itself. That is the number of live births during a given year divided by total population multiplied by 1,000. Now over here, birth rate, as you can see, is never depicted in percentage, but for every 1,000 people how much is addition taking place is shown. यहाँ पे percentage में नहीं calculate किया जाता है. It is said in thousands. Every 1,000 people, how much is the addition taking place is birth rate. Now, on the basis of birth rate, the increase in the population is known as the data on birth rate helps in deciding the population policy. Yes, birth rate के data से हम population policy यानी कि the government can decide about the population policy, and accordingly it can take the steps that is related to the future employment opportunities to be provided. Say for example, now students, on the screen, yes, you will also find the extent of birth rate in our country. For two different years it is given, that is for the year 1951 and 2011. For 51 per 1,000 persons, yes, birth rate per 1,000 persons for 51 was 39.9, whereas in 2011 it was 21.8. So yes, it shows that there is reduction in the birth rate. कम हुआ है birth rate यहाँ पे, but it is slow reduction. Reduction हुआ है मगर कम हुआ है. The main reasons for this are low level of education, preference for male child, low income levels, etc. About them and as well as other factors we will be studying in this chapter itself. Now, students, let us move on to the next topic, that is the death rate. Now, death rate, it depicts the number of people who die per every 1,000 people during a given year. Yes, यहाँ पे क्योंकि डेथ रेट है, सो ऑब्वियस सी बात है यहाँ पे how many people die per year, every 1,000 people is calculated. The formula of death rate, yes, it is number of people who die in a given year upon total population, that is multiplied by 1,000. Now, it is but natural that the decrease in population can be understood from the death rate. Death rate है तो obviously बात है decrease in population होगा. The reduction in total population in a particular manner can be understood by measuring the total number of deaths in a year. Yes, the topic was very simple and easy. Now, yes, on the screen again you will find the extent of death rate in our country for the two different years, 1951 and 2011. Death rate per 1,000 persons for the year 51, 27.4, whereas for 11 it was 7.1. Now, yes, over here also जैसे बर्थ रेट में था सोर्स लिखा हुआ था, यहाँ पे भी सोर्स आपको दिया हुआ है, सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया 2011. ना एनालिसिस एंड कंक्लूजन वहाँ पे भी हम लोगों ने किया था कंपैरिजन करके. ना ओवर हेयर ऑल्सो वी विल बी comparing, that is, yes, the analysis and the conclusion. Now, yes, the death rate 51 में 27.4 था, फिर वो गिर के 7.1 हो गया फॉर द ईयर 2011. नाउ fall in the death rate is much higher than fall in birth rate. Yes, fall in death rate जो है that is much higher, बहुत ज़्यादा है than the fall in birth rate. Now the main reasons के death rate जो है वो इतना fall, इतना कम क्यों हुआ है? The reasons are, yes, medical facilities, we all know. With the improvement in medical facilities, the death rate has reduced. So apart from that, the other reasons are control of famines. Yes, famines पे control हुआ है. More of irrigation facilities have been provided, so that due to starvation has reduced. Improvement in quality of life. Yes, the standard of living of people has improved a lot. Nutritious food is available. Increase and improvement in medical services, we have already discussed. Spread of education, yes, it is very important factor. Improvement in medical science and research in the field of energy, in the field of surgery, control of infectious diseases, etc. Yes, so medical science, as it has improved a lot, सर्जरी में भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस हुआ है. सो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, the death rate has reduced. Now, let us move on to the next topic, that is causes of high birth rate. Now, already हम लोगों ने थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कस किया था only the headings, but in the C class as well as in upcoming class हम causes of high birth rate को continue करेंगे. Now, the causes of high birth rate in India can be classified under 3 different headings. Very first one is social factors, the second economic factors, and the third one is other factors. Now, obviously, I'll start with the very first one, that is social factors or social causes, whatever. Now, the social causes or the social factors are, very first one is universality of marriage. Yes. Now, in our country, we all know marriage is a ritual. It is a religious ritual. The society doubts the people, those who are unmarried. Now, but natural है, कौन चाहेगा कि उस पर डाउट किया जाए? So in order to escape from this, men and women enter into an institution of marriage, and so they marry. Even the people, those who are disabled, those who are handicapped, are not the exceptions. They are also supposed to marry. Now, compared to advanced countries, in India, most women marry. This universality of marriage leads to high birth rate. Now, this is what we all know. As compared to many other countries, in our country, many women marry. And hence, this is the reason for high birth rate. Now, I start with the second one, that is early marriage and widow remarriage. Now, child marriage is prevalent in many parts of our country, we all know. No doubt that law banning child marriages have been passed, but still it is seen in many parts of our country. So as they get married at early age, but natural है जल्दी शादी हो जाएगी, so their fertility span will be very long, and yes, this will result into more number of children, and yes, that is high birth rate. Now let us move on to the next part of the heading, which says about the widow remarriage. The Widow Remarriage Act in India, which has been supported by many, and thus widow remarriage has become common. Yes, act pass हुआ था widow remarriage का, इसकी वजह से many widows get married, and so this has resulted into high birth rate. Now the third one is preference for male child. Yes, Indian society is male dominated, we all know, and more importance is given to sons rather than daughters. Yes, the book says that more importance is given to the sons than the daughters, and there are basically few reasons, the 3 reasons. The very first reason, it is believed that there is a hell named Pooh, and sons birth can stop them from reaching this hell. Yes, ऐसा माना जाता है एक hell है जिसका नाम पू है, और अगर घर में बेटा हो तो उस हेल में जाने से वो फैमिली बच जाती है. द सेकेंड इज फॉर प्रोक्रिएशन, वंश आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, एंड द थर्ड वन इज to support them financially during old age. Now, these are the reasons why male child is preferred. And so, families give birth to more children expecting a son, and in the process, their family size becomes large. Yes. Preference for male child, one of the reasons for high birth rate, one of the causes for high birth rate. Now, the fourth one is joint family system. Now, we all know that there is a prevalence of joint family system in many parts of our country, basically in rural areas of our country. It is seen that yes, joint family बहुत ज़्यादा rural areas में पाया जाता है. Now, as a result, the financial responsibility of upbringing a child is distributed among all the family members. Yes, तो फाइनेंशियल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो होती है बच्चे को बड़ा करने की, वो सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है, एंड हेंस द चाइल्ड डज नॉट बिकम अ बर्डन लीडिंग टू हाई बर्थ रेट. So today is our topic, so very simple and easy. I hope you were able to get all of them, and with this I'm done with our today's e-class. So yes, thank you.